I went shopping with my mom, and I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got this shirt from Spirit Halloween. I didn't, okay, well, hang on. I forgot it's like 2 shirts, and so, there we go. So, I don't think the sleeve thing like this is attached. It might be, I don't know, it's hard to tell, but I got this. The reason I don't think it's attached is because it's very loose, like it doesn't feel like it's sewn in. But now that I'm holding it, I can tell it is attached and it is sewed in. It's just not sewed onto the sleeves. I thought it would have been sewed onto the sleeves, like some other fake 2-piece shirts do, but I guess it's not. So I have this, and then I got this. I thought they were cute. I like the Corpse Bride movie, so I have those. And then we went to Walmart, and I got Sabrina Carpenter's new album. Oh, and from Spirit Halloween too. I don't know how this ended up in my Walmart bag. I got a Zero little snow globe. I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet, but I have him. He was from Spirit Halloween, not Walmart. And then the bigger purchase, because the shoe store I went to was Rack Room, because where I live only has 2 shoe stores. So we went to Rack Room, and they were having like a, I think it was buy one get one half off. So I needed new gym shoes, so I got Nike. I don't know why I got these as my gym shoes. I just liked the black and white, and I didn't really feel like, I don't know anything about shoe brands, first of all. I just liked how these looked, so I bought these. And they will become my new gym shoes, possibly work shoes too. Just because I do plan on going to the gym after work, and I don't really want to carry a pair of shoes with me just to change after work, so they'll probably become my work shoes as well, which means they will get dirty really quickly, which kind of hurts saying because they were like nearly $100 for Nikes. I haven't had a pair of Nikes since I was a kid. I mean actual kid, because like whenever I was 12 or 13, I got Converse. That was the kind of shoe I always wore since then. I didn't even buy a pair of Vans until I was like 20, I think. It was just always Converse or some type of like combat boot. But speaking of Converse, we got more Converse. I love these though. I see the little embroidery detail. I saw them and they were so cute. And I feel like these were just like there for me, because I wear a 6 or a 6.5 depending on the shoe brand. And it's really hard for me to find shoes because of that. Well, I saw these. First of all, one of these was the display shoe. Second of all, they only had 1 box left, and it was a 6.5, which is the size I wear in Converse. So I feel like these were just sitting there for me because it was literally the last pair of shoes they had of this style. It was, one of them was the split shoe and they were 6.5. Like, I just felt like they were meant for me. They were just sitting there and meant for me to find them, I feel like. So I love these already. They're so cute. Love the embroidery. I saw another pair I loved too that were brown and they had an embroidered sunset on them, but I liked these ones better just because I like the color better than brown, and I like the bird better than the sunset. Like, they were both really cute. I would love to have the brown pair, but I like this one better, so I got this one. And that was all. Well, no, okay, I guess I did get one more thing. I got these from Five Below. It's leg warmers. I bought them for my Halloween costume. We just went in there to look, and I was like, hey, leg warmers. And then I was like, hey, I need that for my Halloween costume. So I just bought them because they were right there for like $5 instead of ordering them, like, because I've never seen leg warmers in any of the other clothing stores where I live. So I was like, well, I'll have to buy them online, and then I'm gonna have to pay shipping, which is gonna make it cost a lot more. But then I saw those, so I was like, I'll just get these since they're like right there and $5. So, but yeah, that's all I bought. I'm gonna actually whale. I said whale wrong. Well, whale. Oops, saying words weird. I'm gonna open this actually right now. If I can get the plastic off without like scissors or something. I don't know if I can. Come on, just open. I don't want to get up. Just open, please. Oh, got it. Okay. I want to open this right now so I can put the plastic in the Walmart bag. That way I don't have to worry about my cats getting a hold of it, since I closed the door so they're not in here right now. Because the Rue and Penny likes to chew on things, but Tigger also, the only thing he likes to chew on is plastic. But the thing is he doesn't want to just chew on it. He wants to eat the sticks. So, well, come on. There we go. Shove that in there. There. Okay. I heard people say the collar was supposed to be detachable, but I think that was a special version because it doesn't come off on mine. Unless that was like on the inside or something, but I don't think it was. Ooh. So, sorry. I wanted to look at that, but this is the inside. Trying to get the posters out. Okay. Here's one side of the poster. Here's the other side. And then there's more posters in here. I don't know if I could actually show this one on the camera without getting demonetized. Because it's her in her underwear, so I just won't be showing that one because I don't want to get demonetized. Or my video flagged. My videos aren't monetized because I don't have enough subscribers or watchers or anything actually. but I still don't want to get flagged, so I'm trying to see if the vinyl has anything special. I don't think I got one of the special ones, so no, this is just what it looks like. Okay. Well, yeah, that was all I got, so I'm gonna go listen to this, even though I've already listened to it on like my phone and stuff, but I want to listen to it on my record player. So also, I forgot to show, I got these body washes from Bath and Body. This one is like a rose scented one, and this is black tea, and I think I'm gonna use the rose one right now. But I got these. Oh, and here's Penny. After I cleaned up and threw away all the harmful plasticky things that the cats would probably chew on. Yeah. You didn't like being locked out, did you? Huh? No. Oh, you're gonna bite me? You're gonna bite my finger? Okay. You can't just bite me. You have toys. Stop. I guess I shouldn't say stop. I am encouraging you by swatting back at you. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, I'm gonna go get you a toy to chew on now, because you have sharp teeth. I got up for like 2 seconds. Oh, he's sleepy. Yeah, I got up for 2 seconds and came back to this. He's in my spot. Such a little baby. I love you, Ruru. You look cozy. So, what are we doing, guys? Oh. Tiger. Buddy. That's the camera. You don't care. Okay. Well, Tigger is rubbing his face against you, and please ignore his acne. I'm having to doctor it. That's what the spot is on his chin. He has acne. I've tried, or not tried, but I've done like all the changes and everything that I need to with like his water bowl and stuff, and he still has it. He gets it like during the start of like, I don't know, he gets it like at the same time every year. It's weird, but he has like seasonal acne. Here's Penny laying on my back. They both came to snuggle. She looks like she's gonna fall asleep though. Tigger is just right here now. Looking. Look at those paws. It's like, I'm gonna just face the other direction. Oh, we're loafing even more. We're in a deeper loaf. We're like actually laying down now, instead of halfway loafing. Okay.
This is the elimination game, Pokemon edition. Before taking you past level 3, level 1, wrong answer. Think of any purple Pokemon. If you say Crobat, you're wrong. Think of a Pokemon beginning with G.
I just got out of the shower and my boyfriend is cooking us dinner. I don't know what he's making, so I guess I'll find out whenever he's done. It's dinner time for Rue, apparently. He says, I'm hungry. I'm eating now. How'd you guys get cat food so far away from your food bowl? How do you do this? Now I'm gonna have to pick that up. So, you have to kiss my nose and rub your face up against my face. I love you. Your nose kisses hurt sometimes, though. Oh, more nose kisses. Ow, you just called me. Okay. Your tongue is like sandpaper. Oh, okay, bye. He says, you have food, give it to me.
Yeah, no.
It's not human food, baby. He just ate like 10 minutes ago.